Hey guys, we are just making this fan, and our boss told us to put a new lock with a chain on it so nobody can go ahead and break inside. Supposedly, master locks are one of the best locks on the market, but we're going to show you how to open a master lock without, hold on guys, without a key. This is the secret. This is the experts. You got to be a little bit patient.
No.
All right.
Wait. No, he's the master.
All right, we're going to try it out.
Boy.
Which is the right side to do it? Go ahead, Mario, you do it.
Mario does.
Let's try it out with another guy. I guess you got to hit it in the right spot.
Mira, Pasito. La huevada no puede salir por YouTube ahora.
Oh, let's give it another try.
No. It's a one-time thing.
You try it out.
One time. Yo, this ain't going on YouTube.
No, it's not going on YouTube, no.
Oh, let's go. I think you got to. Oh my God!
Some dirt.
Okay, guys, this is the way. Just got to be a little patient, and this is the way how to use.
All right, one more time.
You open a lock. We lock it.
See?
It's locked. Let's give it a try again. By the way, this is the guy.
Look at that.
Look at that. Again. Let's do it again, guys.
One more time.
I just want to show your face on YouTube so that everybody recognize you.
On this on YouTube.
Okay, let's try it out again. All right, let's do it now. And this, guys, is a brand new lock. Oh, the fuck. Oops, sorry, guys. All right, guys. Any comments? Please leave it.
This is only to be used, only to get yourself into your locked space without a key.
Without key.
Do not use it for any other purposes.
Got it. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.